Have you ever wondered who builds those massive military ships for the United States? Allow me to introduce Huntington Ingalls Industries, the largest military shipbuilding company in the US, formed as a divestiture from Northrop Grumman in 2011. Huntington Ingalls Industries, specializing in the construction, maintenance and repair of nuclear and non-nuclear ships for the US Navy and Coast Guard. The company also provides mission-driven defense technologies and services, including unmanned systems, artificial intelligence and cyber defense. But what exactly does Huntington Ingalls Industries do? Well, let's dive in. Huntington Ingalls' core offerings include nuclear-powered aircraft carriers, where Huntington is the sole builder of nuclear-powered aircraft carriers for the US Navy, with its flagship products being the Gerald R. Ford-class carriers. Its offerings also include submarines, where the company builds Virginia-class and Columbia-class nuclear submarines. These are critical assets for the Navy's defense capabilities. Another offering is the amphibious assault ships and destroyers, where Huntington Ingalls Shipbuilding produces surface combatants, including Arleigh Burke-class destroyers and San Antonio-class amphibious assault ships. And then there is its defense technologies offering. Here, the company provides unmanned systems, advanced simulation, cyber defense, and software engineering services. The Gerald R. Ford-class aircraft carriers are one of Huntington Ingalls' best-known products, representing some of the most advanced warships in the world. So, how does Huntington Ingalls Industries make its money? Well, it generates revenue primarily through long-term contracts with the US Department of Defense. Its revenue streams include shipbuilding contracts, maintenance and repair services, and revenue from defense technologies. A majority of its revenue comes from the construction of aircraft carriers, submarines, and other naval vessels under contracts with the US Navy. But maintenance, modernization and repair services for naval ships also add to revenue. Additional revenue also comes from its growing technical solutions division, which focuses on unmanned systems, cyber defense and logistics support. The Newport News shipbuilding segment, which constructs nuclear-powered aircraft carriers and submarines, is the largest contributor to HII's revenue. So who uses Huntington Ingalls Industries services and who challenges their dominance? Its primary target market is the US government, specifically the US Navy and US Coast Guard. Additionally, through its technical solutions division, the company targets the broader defense and intelligence community, offering unmanned systems, logistics support, and cyber defense solutions. So typical customers include the US Department of Defense, defense agencies, and other government entities requiring advanced military technology and maritime defense capabilities. Huntington Ingalls faces competition from other defense contractors and shipbuilders, including General Dynamics' Electric Boat Division, who is a competitor in submarines, from Lockheed Martin and Northrop Grumman, who compete in unmanned systems, cybersecurity, and mission-critical services, and also from Austal USA, who competes in small naval vessels. So, in a nutshell, Huntington Ingalls Industries stands as America's premier military shipbuilding company, offering diverse services from constructing nuclear-powered aircraft carriers to developing integrated solutions for modern military needs. Its revenue model is heavily dependent on contract awards from the US Navy and Coast Guard, and its Gerald R. Ford-class aircraft carriers are one of its best-known products, representing some of the most advanced warships in the world.